Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode. I'm your host, King Jules. If it's your first time being here, welcome to the channel. Be sure to like and subscribe to my page so you never miss these amazing cooking videos that y'all love to watch and enjoy. And if you've been here before, y'all are my family, y'all are my kinfolk, and nothing can change that. Today is kind of like a cooler day here in the city. I think the high is like about 55. You gotta wear a jacket. It's cold enough where you can leave your windows open. You can turn on the oven without burning yourself up. I don't know about y'all, but we live in a 4th floor walk up, and turning on the oven during the summertime is not the energy. So about a year or so ago, me and Allison decided to substitute ground beef for ground turkey. We started doing it when we were cooking some of our other dishes, and then we tried it with the lasagna, and it's been a hit ever since. So today I am going to go through the motions of cooking this dish. I hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to check out the ingredients right here and also in the description below. With that being said, let's get into the dish. So one little tip or trick I would suggest is adding gravy master to your ground turkey. I learned this tip from my mom. What gravy master does is kind of gives it like a little browning, caramelization, and seasoning to your ground turkey, which is typically like a grayish color when you cook it down. So it kind of gives it that like beefish flavor and color, but not necessarily beef. So it's like you can kind of fool somebody who doesn't know that this is beef and give them ground turkey instead. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the dish is out the oven. It looks good, it smells good, and it's time for one of my favorite parts. The most important part of my cooking with King Jules videos is the taste test. Now, obviously, I've tasted this a million times before, but this is the first time in a very long time that I've had this dish. This is also my first time trying using the Gravy Master little trick, so I want to see how everything came together. So let's get it. Honestly though, I can sit here for the rest of this video and eat this. It just slaps really different. It slaps really good. Yeah. A1. If you made it this far, I want to say thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like this video and drop a comment below. Also subscribe, show the kids some love. Try the recipe. A lot of you guys have been trying the recipes and showing me your recipes, and I love the energy that we're working with. So be sure to show me some pictures, drop a comment, just tell me that you did it. Send me a message on Instagram, whatever it may be, and just tell me how it came out. I really love to see you guys trying these recipes and encouraging and helping somebody else try some new things in their kitchen. So with that being said, I will catch you all next time. Much love.